Okay, now that we've got Inkscape open, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a path. And I'm either going to use the pencil tool or the Bezier tool to draw that path. And I'm going to use the Bezier tool. So right now I'm going to draw a path, and I'm going to draw a diagonal line like this. And if I just click once, it's not going to end my line. But if I double click at the end of a line, it ends the path and makes it into this solid line here. So this is how I want it. I'm actually going to curve this a little bit using the node tool. I'm going to click in the middle of that line and curve it a little bit. And maybe I'll click on these handles and make that a little bit smoother. All right, so now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create some text. So I'm going to click on the text tool, and I'm just going to click here, get my cursor, and I'm going to write computer applications class. And now this works, but it's too small. So I'm going to click and highlight that text, and instead of 40, I'm going to make this 72, and I could even make it bigger. So I'm going to type in, if I click here, I can type in a larger number. I'm going to go 120 and see how that looks. That looks pretty good to me. I could change the font if I want to by clicking the arrow next to Sans. And I could try Comic Sans. That looks okay. I could try a different one, Impact. I like the way that Impact looks. So now I need to select both the text and this path. One way that I could do it, both ways I need to use the select tool. And I could hold down shift on the keyboard and click on the path, and now both things are selected. Or if I click and drag across both of them, I'm going to select both the text and the path. The next thing that I need to do is I need to go to text and put on path, and now it moved that text onto the line of the path. And if I want to continue editing the path, I can do that, and it changes the position of that text.